Channel Natural Treatment and Home Remedies presents Tropical Superfruit Guava Papaya Smoothie packed with digestive enzymes.
Superb fruit guava papaya smoothie loaded with digestive enzymes will transport you just right to the tropics. There is something magical regarding blending fruit all together in this guava papaya smoothie, is confirmation. If you can get hold of a few guava, try blending it with some papaya to make this superfruit papaya smoothie. You can also find guava puree in the frozen section of your food store. Your digestive system will thank you.
Please subscribe our channel, Natural Treatment and Home Remedies, for learn more things. Thanks.
Nutrition-wise, guava is known to be a superfruit. Loaded with antioxidants, they boast much more vitamin C than an orange. They are also full of fiber, lycopene and vitamin A. No wonder these are called superfruits. Papaya is full of digestive enzymes that are so good any body. Digestive enzymes help out our body absorb and utilize nutrients much more efficiently. Papaya is also rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, fiber, and potassium. Overall, a healthy superfruit guava papaya smoothie. Ingredients: 1 cup ripe papaya, 2 to 3 small guavas, 1 sprig parsley, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, ½ teaspoon ginger, 1 tablespoon brown sugar or stevia or maple syrup, optional, 3 to 4 ice cubes, optional. Add a teaspoon of ground flaxseed to get an additional boost of nutrition. Directions: wash and clean all fruit. Blend everything together with ice and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed watching the video on Tropical Superfruit Guava Papaya Smoothie packed with digestive enzymes. Please subscribe our channel Natural Treatment and Home Remedies and learn more about new things. Thanks for watching video. Subscribe, comments, likes and share. Thanks.